What's going on, guys? We are here at Elite Image and they are doing a little cars and coffee, which is a bunch of people bring out all their rides for anyone to check out. So they do this pretty much, I think, almost every other month or every month. But right now there's a couple parking lots. Elite's right over here, and there's a bunch of other cars. You're actually just able to drive your car up here and display it with yourself or you and your crew and your friends. So pretty cool. Heading over to the front of Elite now, and let's just kind of see what's around here.
Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm from Irvine, Orange County. I belong to SoCal Tesla Club, and here's my 2020 Tesla Model 3 heavy modified. I like Porsche, so the theme of the car is like a Porsche vibe for the mods. As you can see right now, he's filming the front bumper, and it's a replica of a GT3 2015 GT3 Porsche. The rim is really nice. I just got this rim like about 2 weeks ago. It's red carbon fiber, 3-piece from ESR. Body kit is a combination of a few different companies like Darwin Pro and then Artisan. Scissor door is from Vertical Door in Lake Elsinore. All they have is they just changed the, you can come over here, they just changed the hinge. So it's nothing that you have to drill new holes or anything like that, because they install the hinge into the original hole. Bring it down, and then you can close like that. It's a Mutec Sport exhaust, and then it's built for electronic car, but mainly for Tesla. So when I drive, I turn it on. When I go to car show, I turn it on so people can hear me. Otherwise, and they will walk in front of the car all the time, you know. Yeah, this whole thing is almost like a fighter jet type of configuration. So I can, when I sat in there, I can see the front, and then look to the side, I can see the screen and everything. It's a lot of carbon fiber parts, seat covers, and the whole thing.
Hey guys, welcome to Pacific Ride Tesla Rentals. My name is Evan, and we're here live at the September Cars and Coffee, and we are so excited to be here. This is actually our headquarters. We're located here alongside Elite Finish, so we're happy to just be with the community, and we're doing some giveaways, so make sure you come to the next Cars and Coffee, that way you can be part of the giveaways too. If you don't know about us, we've actually been in town since 2018, and one really cool thing that we offer to the community of Tesla owners is if you ever get into an accident, whether it be at fault or not, we can make sure that you are behind the wheel of a brand new Tesla and you are fully in with your app access, FSD, everything taken care of, rather than being in a Toyota Yaris. We don't want any of that. We also do personal pleasure rentals as well as business rentals. Two of our cars that we have here today, we have these 2022 red Model Y long range. It's got the nice white interior, as well as we have the brand new 2022 long range Model X as well with the yoke steering if you want to check that out. And these are available to rent for anything, whether it be pleasure, business, or if you need us for insurance claims as well. So feel free to reach us online at Rent Pacific Ride, and you can also check us out on every social network And our phone number is 858-255-0473. Awesome.
Guys, just little highlights from the event. Bunch of stuff that I probably wasn't able to cover because there's just a ton of stuff here. So hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.